Among all the herbs known to Ayurveda, there is one that strengthens the body, calms the mind, and restores lost energy. Ashwagandha. This ancient, also called Withania somnifera, has been used for thousands of years in Indian medicine. This ancient herb Indian medicine, it is known as a rasayana, meaning it promotes longevity, vitality, and inner balance. Take 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. Add it to a cup of warm milk. Drink this at night before sleep for maximum benefit. But remember, must be taken with awareness. Pregnant women should avoid it, unless guided by a practitioner. Always listen to your body. Ashwagandha is not magic. It works when your lifestyle supports it. Eat well, sleep on time. Then, this herb will become your greatest ally. Nature has given us everything we need. We only need the wisdom to use it. Subscribe for more Ayurvedic wisdom.